Hiya folks, Mickey here. Today we're back in Kielder. It's 27th of February 2015 and it's a Monday, Friday, and I'm heading to Kielder Castle because I'm meeting up with a few friends. Trevor, cut hunter, Darren, the butcher camper, and also a new lad I've never actually met. I've seen a lot of them on the on the YouTube and that. It's Rob, so I'm looking forward to that. And I'm at Elfkirk viewpoint at the moment. Absolutely beautiful. The weather's okay, but we've got a few clouds coming in, so I best get cracking and meet up with them. Right folks, arrived at Kielder with the lads now. There's Darren, Trevor, and a new member, Rob. Daddy Camper. We're on our way to a place called Geordie Noah. Absolutely wrecky. Right folks, we've come to a place called the Forks. I think we're taking a right up to Geordie Noah.
There's a tent.
Just getting the map out because we're a little bit unsure where to go.
Birds of Prey Centre,
Geordie's Noah. So we've come there.
The Forks.
You just set it somewhere and because you know where the view is.
Right, going back over the bridge because we missed the turn off. Going up that way. Come across.
There's the one next to the bottom now.
Come across with the base in Meg Lane or Meg the Lane.
Yes, that's what it is. Meg of the Lane.
Meg of the Lane. Now Lane is like it's another name for like a little stream, isn't it? Matthew's Lane.
Yeah.
Psych.
Whiskey.
Psych, isn't it?
If you look on your map, I love Whiskey Psych, the thingy, because Psych's another name for like the strain. They're all the same, Lynn, Psych. So this must be Whiskey Side. This place is absolutely beautiful. Very close. Aye. Cleach. Very cleach. Yeah, that's definitely fresh drinking water, that.
Aye.
See that?
Clean as a whistle. Be filtered as well.
Yeah. Come across another cross.
Probably not far like over on the map. It's not far like. Is it not like a viewpoint or something at the top?
Meg's Lane's on there.
There's that
Quarry
right there.
this. That's what we just watched. We just looked at Meg's Lane.
Come across a lovely little bridge. We've actually gone across water. Wow. Let's hope it doesn't collapse. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot express how stunning this place is. There's Rob, Trevor and Darren. Fantastic. Right folks, we've just come up.
I'd say now there's a poppy in out there.
There's another cross there. Where is it? You see it? Yeah. Basically they're depicting where all the burns are, where all the little streams and all the waterways are.
Falls,
Trevor nearly fell. Just having a look at that cross.
Stumble across. Lord Shoes, 1901 to 2011.
See me gone in some
110-year-old.
Who? What was it?
Claude Shoes.
2011, aye.
I wonder if he was fought in the war or something.
Well, this looks like it's Geordie's Noah. Now Noah stands for a little hill, like sponge.
know, I think yeah. We'll find out very, very shortly. Find out shortly.
Like paradise. Even the air's just weird. Going. What I want. Beautiful.
Oh, something on it. Feels like peculiar, just stuck there, like. There's bloody deep people all around. I'm not camping here. I'm not camping here. There's deep people all over.
Here. Towards me, mate.
He is on the other side.
It is on the side, there's a cross.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Deep
right.
sight.
The herds. Whoop. There's a cross on it now.
Wrong side.
This is deep sight, you fucking idiot.
There's a cross here. Ah, right. There it is, there's a cross. Just found a monument of some kind.
Right. The what? The what? The herbs?
The herds.
Herbs?
Go get down. There's a little embankment now.
I'm not going to do a turtle dance. Let's not get down now.
Whoop. Down.
What is that for, Madam?
The herds. It's got cross on. Like stuck in the top. Onward. I just come across this monument thing. The Dales whetstone. Very peculiar. Right. Just walk a few yards and come across an enclosure.
Herd garden, says on that stone.
The herd's gone.
The herd garden, and that one.
Herd stuff.
Go on, wasn't it? On the right. Put it in the right.
This is weird. Is this on the map? It's unusual. Got stones.
Got a little memorial slab.
Not clear what that was. It's been around here for years and years. Maybe hundreds of years. BG. See that? He's out in the middle of nowhere, you know what I mean? Cross. Limbs. Nick.
What was said about the map there, Trev?
This is really unusual. But yes. Across. Across there. Across. Right, this is very unusual, this. John. It's on the stone there. GG. This isn't on the map. Pete.
The herb garden, that's what that's called.
The herd garden. That's what it is. So this
Pete. Something to do with shepherds, herds.
I know, Trev would like to camp there, wouldn't it?
No, we're just shite.
Can you see?
Right guys, don't bring it back.
Rose. Rose. Just getting out
There was
there.
that pit thing, you know, on there. Have we come across that? Where down went up the... That's where we were.
Yes.
That's that Pete's site. That was on there. And for whatever reason, this isn't here.
Bit unusual that.
Is it not further across?
It's Herb Garden.
Like this.
Not on the map.
No, the first half away from the You don't need it, one thing. Oh, no, once you've got
Whoa. Big boggy really, mind. We're following the path. Well, I think it's a path. But whoa.
the boggy.
Get boggy underfoot. Proof's waterproof. Nearly.
Pretends waterproof. Make sure of that.
We've left that herd's garden and we're heading up this little trail.
You're going to head up that clear fell, do you think?
I think we're
Heading up
there.
here. Boggy underfoot again. Whoa.
Crafts are going to explore here.
Huh?
The crafts.
Getting a bit of a view now.
Hey, what?
See, we're getting a bit of a
Bit of
view.
rain, aye. Oh, it's the wrong way, lad. Turn around.
Fell trees up there. Time to take the hat off.
Just on the walk.
If you see me, can you give a whoop?
Beautiful. We're following a well-trodden trail, like. I'm absolutely loving this. If I could do this 356 days, you know, if I could do this every year, every day, I would never get bored, never. Great. Big shout out to Dave Lennox from work. Big shout to Rebecca. Rebecca, you alright?
There's a lot of trails, if you look.
I know, gone in between the trees and that.
That'll be the Yeti. That'll be Damien's Yeti, yeah.
It's getting a little more dense.
Just come across this tree, precariously hanging
Hanging, yeah.
to one
Think
side.
it's part of the Yeti.
Possible.
It's leaning over, right? It's got a bit of a...
Going under it now.
Aye.
Ooh.
There's a bit wool on there.
Get your spokes out, we're going to chop this one up.
Right. We're coming along to where the Yeti's blocked the path. The stop here today might jump out, so I want to keep the wall up. Just in case it jumps out. We'll make some money on this video. Sighting of the Yeti.
Whoa.
Oh, didn't put your foot in there, lads. Didn't put your foot in there. I wouldn't care, he's just done it now. I've just bloody done it now. I thought I'd watch it.
Oh
Go on,
God.
Mick, are you?
Yeah, let go.
Let go.
Oh, big gangs. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's soggy. Just had to cook our leg out with it.
This isn't looking the best.
No, but no matter which way you go, this way you've got to hit that path. You're not there, you're I'm confident.
We're still heading through the Kielder jungle. And the route we're taking, we should head
Well, get under this one.
limbo. We should come to a track or road, hopefully. If not, it means we're doubling back.
No, like it's good.
He's getting through.
Right, you're in the lead now.
Watch out the way.
Oh, there's cameras on us.
Watch out the way.
Let's get ice. Stop. Wind drop. Didn't get us lost. I'm getting us this far.
Oh, we found us a path, sort of.
Well, I got through that.
Watch your eyes.
I'm through.
I was through. I'll just try that.
Let's wait again through stuff like that.
Oh, yes, but that's nearly like the yeah.
Nearly lost his shoe again.
Well, what are you taking us to, are you? What's going on with you? I'm just starting to feel a little bit moisture coming through my boot now.
Well, thankfully, these are staying dry. Carrymores,
I didn't want to have to have, but
not bad at all.
35 quid in the factory shop.
Aye.
Aye.
People say Carrymore, the quality in that has dropped. But I haven't any problem with these boots, like.
Now what do? Oh, fill it down, Rob. Follow me. Follow me.
No, it's just up here.
Now, what the queer thing is, though, every time I come to Kielder,
I bet you've got a gun with two there, haven't you?
never have to use my inhaler. Have you noticed that?
I've been alright, did you?
It's all the fresh air.
No, I've never had to use me inhaler.
You fucking snorkel we need.
I dare, man. You're starting to worry me, man. I didn't know an asthmatic here.
Aye.
Aye.
Yeah, give us that inhaler, use that, I'll breathe it out.
Oh, look, there. Old man's beard.
Oh, you don't say that very often.
Ah, that's
Actually got me
picture
a
of
video.
Was that good right though?
With Darren pulling off the tree. It took years and years to get there, and he's yanking it off.
There's the old man's beard. There's a little picture of it, Rob.
WWF wrestler. E or whatever it is.
I'll get one mate, we're there.
There's the
Just
old
sitting
man's beard.
Just a second.
I've got another
Just a second,
idea
let S3 warms up.
Hold on. The old man's beard.
Leprechaun. Keep it on there. One thing, Rob. You'll be putting that foot on there. You're the warmest man in the world.
Watch out.
At least the weather's dry. Knee rain.
You need to hang a right somewhere, you mind. It's getting beyond the joke. I've walked a mile or so. It's fucking snow here, man.
Snow? Bloody hell. Remnants of snow. Ah,
Yeah, there's the road. Aye.
There, I'm getting us out.
You know where we are, don't you?
just found the road.
After 5 days in the jungle. 5 days in the jungle. Rob.
We're having an eviction vote tonight, though, Darren. And with me being getting us out of the shit, I think the public will vote for me. Trailblazing, that's what I was doing.
What's this? Oh, is that way in it?
That we are, right?
That way.
Find a dry spot, we'll have a brew, 'cause I think I'll have a brew time now.
Something, mate.
Have a look at your map. And look for this, where this Y is here. It's definitely that way walking down, but I just want to see how far up this is actually going.
Aye.
We've gone off track.
Just checking out bearings again. Team leader Trevor, checking them up.
Trailblazer.
That'll be one straight on.
Now we've come up,
That's
haven't we?
it.
We've come up the right path. Aye. If you look.
I think we have.
Because it's just slightly off centre, isn't it?
Now it's just heading that way.
We're going to be heading that way to our
Right place to sit and have a brew. Come across these stones.
Great stones to me.
come to another burial site.
Deed Derg Cairn. It's a cairn.
I don't know which way they're facing.
Moss, fly, they're dogs then.
Yeah.
D Derg? It's a D Derg, man.
D Derg.
That's what it is.
D Derg.
It's
Cairn.
Derg Cairn.
Cairn.
Cairn. It's a
Cairn.
D Derg. It's what they would
That's
see
a
up here
cairn.
for a
Aye.
dog. D Derg.
Ah, Deed Derg. Deed
Where the
dog.
dogs are buried.
There you go.
That's it.
So it's a pet cemetery. There's they're called moss, fly. Can't make that out. Can't make that one out. And jip.
Hi folks, I'm getting it from the bottom from George's Moor.
Eventually.
Eventually, as Dan said. It was wet, it was wet. But we found what looks to be a cemetery. And it's called, I don't know whether you'll be able to look that out on there. In this area in the northeast, it's sort of like a different dialect, if you like. It's deed or dead, Derg, the dog, cairn. So, deed Derg, cairn. Dead dog, cairn. You get to see this. moss. Not what was that moss, it's called moss. Fly on that one. And then go further on. Jip is the end one.
Right, we're back at the Olympic site. There's the cars. There's lads, just have a bite to eat. Trev just burned his fingers. I cheated. I brought the flask. So after I've watched something to eat, we jump back in the car, heading to Kielder Castle, and then heading to East Kielder. So bring us back in a bit once we get in the car. Right folks, I'm back in the car. We're leaving the camp here, the picnic area, and we're heading back to the castle now. Been a lovely little walk. So I'll bring you back when we're at the castle and that. So see as we're spending the night at a place called East Kielder. And in the morning visiting the bothy. Trevor and Darren was ahead in Trevor's car and go